What if the stylish clothing brand you just discovered online isn't exactly what it appears to be? That's the question many shoppers are asking in this Kate and Peter London Review 2026. Because at first glance, the store looks like a premium fashion brand offering trendy clothing at surprisingly large discounts, which naturally grabs attention. The website presents itself as a London-based fashion label that focuses on modern European style, elegant designs, and limited-time sales that make the prices seem almost too good to ignore. Many people browsing the store notice a wide range of products, including jackets, dresses, casual wear, and seasonal items that appear fashionable and professionally photographed, which gives the site a polished first impression. However, when people start researching the brand further, some questions begin to appear online. For example, shoppers often wonder about the actual history of the company, since there is very little verifiable information available about when the brand started or who exactly runs it. Another thing that gets attention is the heavy discounting strategy used across the website, where many products appear to be marked down significantly, which can sometimes make buyers curious about whether the deals are genuine clearance sales or simply marketing tactics used by online stores. Some customers across the internet mention mixed experiences when it comes to delivery times, product expectations, and communication with support, while others say their orders arrived but took longer than expected. Because of this variety of feedback, potential buyers usually take extra time to read reviews and compare information before deciding whether to purchase. In the end, Kate and Peter London might look like a stylish online clothing store with appealing deals. But like with many internet fashion retailers, it's always smart to research carefully, check customer experiences, and make sure you feel comfortable with the purchase before placing an order.